Good morning, Fast Cap. This is Jen. I'm over here at our orange bin holder, and we also store blue bins in these up here on this shelf, and from time to time we've had them stored like this and all different ways. So talked to Lucas and a couple other people and came up with this improvement. I took a picture of a few of them stacked up like this, and this is how we would like to have our blue bins stored on this shelf, and it makes it nice and neat and more efficient. Thank you.
What's up? Truman here with an improvement. This is our orange bin holder and blue bin holder, and so what we did was we cut out this hole right here so that when you walk from behind it, you can actually see where you're going before you're kind of having to squat down and look out that little hole. But we just made it more head height and bigger so that you can see where you're going.